Welcome back aboard SV Running Free. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss our exciting news we're finally sharing with you. We're back at it on the boat. I'm working on making our pantry doors slide easier. Rob's working on installing a USB port on the helm so we can plug in our phones, and the power issue we're having with our chart plotter. Here, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sleeping there? Next, I scraped out the old grease and debris from the rudder post bearing and applied new grease. We will be updating the bearing in the near future.
This is awesome.
The next trip to the boat, Rob's dad Dave came to help us put the mainsail back on and set up the 3 reefing lines for the sail.
So they think you got some power. That thing ain't no faster than your darn sail. No, your sail's faster. No, it isn't, but you can go and hold it.
You want to pull that last bit out?
Yeah.
If you decide to put the whole thing in.
Yeah.
Just for now.
I'm thinking that'd be better for now. You can always find out later. Well, all right, you're here.
Oh, I'm there? Okay, cool.
Eye to eye.
All right. Yeah, you're good. Do you want to tie a bowline in that and pull this?
All right, we're in. I can't even
Set
see
me
it.
up.
Yeah, I am. I'll do it.
Back here.
You want to let the main halyard loose? Wait until.
Loose the main halyard. I'm gonna find the guy who made all these names up. Jibbin, Mizzin.
I need a flathead.
Like the one you used yesterday.
Ball.
Bubby.
That's a rock.
There you go. Pull again.
That's a knot. You got a knot right there, right?
Yeah, I got a bowline, but I got 6 inches before.
Before that bowline?
Yeah.
Oh shit. So I was saying pull back. There might be a knot. It might kink in it. Oh wait a minute. Nobody's gonna see that name.
Hold on.
We raised the mainsail to gather the measurements for the
Okay,
reefing
next.
lines.
Keep going, keep going. Stop. Okay. Stop. Okay.
Wait, I knew you had something. Let me put a number. We're now 221.
You would attach this end and then. You alright?
Yeah.
We're now 221. That's a heck of a lot of.
Sail
A little bit
there.
more than the other boat.
I want to be in the darn bay right now.
Oh, watch it.
I want to be roaring past with this thing.
So how many inches am I short here? 1 foot. 1 foot?
Yeah, just because everybody's tied to knot on it.
Wrap around the winch too. You have to take that in.
Oh yeah. So 30 feet. Let's go 35 foot. Let's add 10 feet to whatever. Well, if you get
Add more anyway.
you get chafing, you gotta cut
Yeah.
some off and you can move it.
I'd rather go a little longer than shorter and have
Yeah.
to do the whole thing.
I'm not trying to do the 40 feet long.
I'm thinking 5 for this here.
What, like a butt connector?
Yeah, exactly. A flexible. Can you
Like
take
it.
that back to the nice little spot there?
Yeah.
Center to center is, it's a lot of feet. It's 36
Say 37.
and 7 inches. If you
So
want
we
to
were
get
adding
exact.
10 feet. So let's just say 45 feet.
There we goes.
Here we go again. Thank you.
Let her rip. Hold on. No, we don't want that. Don't rip. Like the fresh air. Hey, Drippy. You're causing the tide to come up.
What's that?
Slobber's making the tide come up.
It's more than last time.
2 feet?
It's 46 and
That was 10
7.
foot. Yeah.
46.8.
About 10 foot. So, oh yeah, that's 47. It's up there, right?
Yeah. Every one of those.
50.
Could you write my numbers down? What was all?
We walked to the local West Marine to purchase the reefing lines.
Thought it was under pressure. I'm stepping on it, that's why.
And here's a 50, so that's
right on
that's
the
2.
tape. She wrote on the tape.
Well, she put a white piece of tape on
There
there.
it is, 50.
This is a 50,
Oh, you're only one of them.
and this should be the 40. It looks short. So
Process of elimination.
she didn't write on it. This is definitely the 40. So
Doesn't look like the 60.
you have the top one there. You have the third reef.
Yeah, it should be down here. I see one. I'm not going to stop here.
Run that through.
The tide over here is supposed to come back to you.
That one end's gonna go down. This end's gonna go goes back there. Yeah.
Look, that's a nice-
You never want to go on that side. Where you want to go?
You ever,
Sorry. Let me show you. These are all gonna come back to here and then go on to here.
no boat traffic here, but we keep getting raised.
And then it'll all be on there. Now this is a soft shackle, so you can keep doing that.
Okay.
And if you can't get it undone, you pull this and then it opens it up.
Okay.
Just work it around. Okay.
Look, he was grabbing a bat and he has his bone.
It did sound
Right? You got your bone, buddy? He's got it in between that exhaust thing. He can't get it out. There you go, bud. Or it might be holding it for him. You might like it there.
Yeah, right? That on there?
Something, you know, do with them. Arm.
Yeah. It's like it's really got memory to it. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're putting one in it right now. Let's get it up and we get it back down like that time.
You're leaving us on now?
What's that?
You're gonna leave us? I don't see anything moving here.
That looks good. Good deal. Usually
That's
people.
down the line.
Yeah.
You're probably only realistically going to use one of them, probably. You're probably not going to bring it all the way down.
What's that?
Yeah, I mean, you're probably going to use the 2.
Oh, what? First and
most
second?
of the time, so yeah, most of the time.
Yeah. Number 25 drill bit. What the?
Oh yeah, 25. You gotta go and look it up.
Now, what the hell is that? Fraction.
It feels good to be getting these projects done because the sail up the Chesapeake to move running free from Baltimore to South Jersey is quickly approaching. Dave used the big winch to winch Rob up the mast. Theo doesn't like when Rob goes up the mast because he can't get to him. Rob went up to check to see if the wire for the steaming light fell into the mast. which it did, but we'll take care of it later. Now for the news you've been waiting for. We're having a baby boy. This pregnancy has been great, and we feel he's going to be a great baby because of it. We are nervous and excited to welcome our first mate. To bring you all up to speed, Atlas is due November 2022. We'll let you know when he arrives.
You see the heart over there?
Oh, wow.
See it? Now let's
Yeah.
make that real. There's your baby's heartbeat.
What?
Nice and strong.
Yeah, it's a little more real now.
That's good. Nice and strong. Okay. Very good.
That's
Okay,
nuts.
so now let's get.
In our next video, Rob and our friend Evan clean the bottom of the hull for the first time. And we take 2 more small trips to the boat before the big sail to bring Running Free home.
Good boy, buddy.
Stay tuned!